Hey, it's Tim. Then we got a 2011 Toyota Limited Sequoia. Anyway, we're doing a servo. We're replacing the whole servo assembly. Part number 87106-0C140. This will be your actuators and your whole servo kit, and I'll show you what that looks like. First, you're gonna have to take this off, your little trim. Just undo your push this little clip here in on your hood latch, and then the rest of it, you got a bolt here up underneath, then you got a bolt on the other side. It's a 10mm underneath, and you're gonna be doing those. And then we're gonna get up here to this servo in just a second, but let me unplug all these other ones here because they need to be unplugged. Not too bad. Just unplug them like that, unplug them like that, and then kind of just sit your other piece wherever, and that way you should be able to get to your piece right here. We'll have to undo this little plastic right there. I think that's it to it. We'll have to undo that. And then we're going to try to get up underneath here, inside here, and see what we got going on. Be right back. Okay, this is where we are right now. You got a screw on the bottom right here. Get that screw on the bottom. Then you got one on the side, right there, and you got one on the top. Look at your new one. And you see what's bolted up. One here, 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 and here. Now, this last one I'm gonna have to see, because it's been a while since I've done one of these, if it's just a hook clip in here or it actually got a screw. If it's got a screw, I might drill a hole right in here and get to that screw. So, I'm not sure about that one yet. But, that's pretty much, you gotta get them bolts out and unplug it. You got your plug that runs up here with it. Kind of undo it, go around it like that. Go up here. I'm not sure if that's got a screw on it, and we're gonna have to drill a hole, try to get the screw, because I cannot get to it through this. There ain't no way. So, give me just a second. Okay, like I said, I just drilled a little hole right there and got this last screw right there and just pulled it out to the left right there, and it comes right out. So you ain't got to do all kind of crazy stuff. Make sure it's all lubed up good, looking good. And we're going to start putting it back in here in just a second. That's how you do it. Drill you a little bitty hole right there, just small enough, ain't gonna hurt nothing, to fit your Phillips head screwdriver and get that last screw. Alright guys, I am done with it. This is the old one. Got everything buttoned up under here. I'm gonna tell you one thing, it is a pain. It took me 2 or 3 times to get this lined up right. Gotta make sure these are lined up right in the back. Your bottom one's pretty simple. You can line that up after you get it in. The top one, make sure they go in the grooves here, and when it's lined up, you'll know it because it'll snap in real fast. But I had to do it. Just be patient with it. You can do it. The defroster one is one that I had trouble with. I had to do it 3 times before I got it, before it worked. It was the one that was up here, right up there at the top. You go on here, you got a little hole right here. You need to move this around a little bit, move that little wheel inside until it catches on here, and you want that wheel up, on the up position. The one that does the defrost, you want it up, so you get it. You set your climate control to face and all the way on cool, and this I have this set. But do that. Hook up your new one and put it on face and all the way down to cool. just plug it up and then start putting it in. That way it's lined up in the back here. Everything is lined up right. Anyway, that's another one of done Tim's Auto. Yeah, come on. Till next time. Thanks for watching.